Hey guys, Andy Gross with a thought of the day. Again, I'm Andy Gross of the Law Office of Andrew P. Gross. We do veterans disability benefits appeals, and we do estate planning for veterans in Maryland and D.C. We do that for veterans and their families. My thought of the day for today is going to be really directed at the reservists and National Guard soldiers out there. I will say this. The VA has a really hard time with claims made by veterans and veterans of the reserves and National Guard, especially for injuries that occurred while on a drill weekend. So it's really important that, if you're injured on a drill weekend, to go ahead and get that line of duty done. And if you can't get a line of duty done, save that, leave an earnings statement, get buddy statements, what have you, to really document the time and place of the injury or the condition. And the reason you want to do that is that you have to prove that you were on active duty or active duty for training when the injury occurred. The other thing I'll say to veterans and of the National Guard and Reserve is that if you get injured on a drill weekend or on annual training, you really need to think hard about whether you're going to put in for a claim now or later. I have not seen a compelling reason to wait to put in for a VA disability claim. That's just me. The longer you go, the harder it is to prove, generally speaking. You can still get VA disability and be a drilling reservist. There's just an offset. So sometimes it's easy to file for a disability after you get injured than it is to wait years and years and years until after you get out because, you've had multiple drill periods since then. So if you're a drilling reservist, and you're applying for VA disability, it's important that you, in your application, you really let the VA know and substantiate this with evidence, the specific drill period, the annual training, what have you, where you were injured, so that the VA can fairly adjudicate your claim. Now, I'm not going to say that this is going to actually mean success for you because I have gone through dozens of reservist VA disability benefits packets and found massive errors that the VA, because the VA just doesn't understand what a drill weekend is, or the VA just doesn't understand what AT is or basic training. So it gets complicated. Don't give up though. But again, document and don't wait. If you like this video, if you like the content, subscribe, leave a comment, give us ideas for videos. We appreciate that. We do appreciate when you share the content. We get ideas from you folks. So if you have a claim that's been denied, or you don't think the rating's correct, or you don't think the effective date is correct, reach out to us and let me see if we can help you. Anyway, until next time, take care.